Uh-oh. Somebody done fucked up. No, you done fucked up, right? Ha, it's cold. Back at these niggas' necks. I can do this shit for days. We're gonna do it like this, though. Fuck the speculation, talk's over. Mookie, dig this. I finna hit your bitch with a crossover. Do it like Tyrone Lucy, get walked over. Look what I brought for you, take a walk with me. All that talk for the bird, so I pack a hawk with me. 2 rounds in his head like he at Walt Disney. Whoa, I'm whipping that cocaine. Mookie ever tripping, then I grip it and blow, man. His brain in his lap look like chicken and lo mein. Stick it in his bitch and now she looking for more pain. Oh man, you're looking at the god of this. Yeah, them niggas quite tough, but they ain't hard as this. They mixtapes on the floor by the garbages. Lil Mookie better call it quits before I ball my fists and hit his face straight hard as shit. I don't play with you simple ass rappers. Treat him like a pimp and they flinch and I backslap him. Fuck his bitch right to an inch of a back spasm. Yup, I'm back spazzing. Y'all ain't dropped nothing. You a savage? Man, nigga, stop frontin'. This whole group, man, certainly dead. Niggas running from a nigga like I work in the feds. That's the main part that be hurting my head. Cause these nigga rappers got links to the battles. Call niggas out and you ain't seen niggas after. Ha! Will Hodges, prime example. Nigga died, that's a violent gamble. Don't try it. Nigga tryna sell you a sample, don't buy it. Cause these niggas liars. Lie to my old rival. Surprise you out for the flow visor. High fool.